Most job seekers think rejection is due to a lack of experience. Often it doesn't. It's the silent deal breakers, the tiny mistakes with massive consequences that recruiters notice immediately, long before the interview even begins. Sending emails with vague subject lines, unprofessional addresses, or blank messages creates immediate friction. Recruiters shouldn't have to investigate who you are. Strong candidates make communication effortless. Don't let a fatal email mistake trigger a rejection before they even open your resume. Typos damage credibility fast, but overly polished buzzwords can be just as harmful. Phrases like results-driven professional mean very little without proof. Shifting the focus from a list of daily duties to concrete, measurable accomplishments is how you win. Failing to follow application instructions raises immediate concerns about attention to detail, and misspelling the company's name? That instantly damages credibility. Recruiters often see it as proof that the candidate rushed the process instead of reviewing their work carefully. When you treat the job search like a numbers game, it shows. One-click applying and mass sending identical resumes signals desperation, not strategy. Focus on targeted, tailored submissions rather than flooding an employer's inbox. Nothing kills an interview faster than walking in blind. If you haven't researched the company's current challenges, your answers will sound generic and rehearsed. A lack of preparation signals a complete lack of genuine interest. Your credibility is built on the details. Bad lighting or a poor camera angle can distract from your expertise just as much as being long-winded. Keep your energy high, your language professional, and your setup flawless. Most elevator pitches fail because they are entirely me-centric. Recruiters tune out when you focus solely on what you want out of the job. Flip the script. Position yourself around what the employer needs right now. Here's a quick exercise to test the strength of your summary. I call it the pitch flip. Look at your professional summary and delete every sentence that starts with "I want." Rewrite those lines to state exactly what the employer gains. Stop telling them what you want and start showing them what they get. Timing is everything. Bringing up compensation, remote work perks, or vacation days too early transforms a strategic conversation into a transaction. Focus first on proving what you bring to the table before negotiating what you want to take away. Silence is a massive red flag. Vanishing after the interview, ignoring follow-up steps, or overlooking to send a swift, personalized thank you note signals a lack of professional courtesy. Keep the momentum alive by closing the communication loop. Rejection does not only come down to a lack of talent, it comes down to the details. By eliminating these silent deal breakers, like rushed communication, early salary demands, or easily avoided typos, you stop leaving your career up to chance. You protect your professional brand and ensure you control the narrative, and put yourself in the strongest possible position. Before you hit send on your next application, I have a challenge for you: the backward audit. Open your resume and read it word by word from the very last sentence up to the first. This forces your brain to stop skimming and catch those invisible typos that kill your credibility. Give it a try. Did you find any hidden errors? Thank you for watching. Good luck. Please remember to hit the subscribe button and share your questions or tips in the comments.